Good morning! I don't know why I yelled. I'm not even in a good mood right now. I mean, like I am, but like there's... Like, you ever felt so good that I don't know where you just start thinking shit from the past and it just puts you in a bad mood? Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Like I'm in a good mood, but then I start thinking about shit that happens, and that just puts me in a bad mood. But you know, I mean, past the past, it already happened, and you can't do nothing about it to change it. So pretty much what you could do is just move on and enjoy life, enjoy what's coming for you in the future. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But first off, I'm gonna go eat cereal, Captain Crunch, peanut butter. As you can see right there, my cereal's right there. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'll probably go to the gym in a little bit, like in a couple hours, because it's still early. And I'm sore from yesterday, because I went riding yesterday. My back, my forearms are so sore right now. They're killing me. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. I don't know what time this video is gonna be up, but it's gonna be up. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't ask why there's a dirt bike in the living room. Have a good reason why. I'm not trying to take it outside in the backyard because it's a kickstart. It's a kickstart, like you started like that, like by kicking it down. Yeah, I cleaned it yesterday. It was super dirty, like you have no idea. This whole thing right here was like all covered in dirt. Thing too, like. But yeah, I cleaned it yesterday. And I'm not trying to risk it getting stolen. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna go riding again. Not anytime soon, probably like months. But yeah, I miss it. Whisper dirty secrets while I'm pulling on your head. Poison in our veins, but we don't even care. Candles dripping on your body, baby. This ain't truth or dare. Everybody wonders where we've run off to. My body on your body, baby, slipping like some glue. Every morning I listen to this song. Every morning. You're not the only one. I listen to it too. I just took her a shower. She's very, very clean now. And you're not gonna get dirty ever again. Okay? Porque mira, Diosito. No, okay. No, but for she's clean now. She's not gonna get dirty. She wants to play, look. Oh shit. Get up. It's right there now. Guess what movie I'm watching.
Hello?
Mom.
What do you want, bitch? For your son?
I'm hungry, Mom.
Nah, nigga, you done myself. You ain't eating today.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Nigga, make yourself some fucking, like, fried chicken.
Mom, we don't have nothing in the house, Mom.
Nah, fuck you, son, nigga. I should've abandoned you when I had the chance.
No, Mom, I'm hungry. Please, Mom.
Shit, I better have the house too when I go home.
Okay, Mom, it will. Just please, please bring me some food, Mom, please.
Shit, I'll fucking feed you a piece of bread.
Mom, no, that's not enough.
Bitch, I'm a motherfucker. Bring me lasagna. Bye.
Okay, Mom, bye.
Hey, you.
Aw, I love you too. That's my mommy. No, I'm kidding. That wasn't my mom. That was actually my sister. But I am hungry though, and all I eat today was just cereal. I guess we're eating lasagna. Oh man, I don't want lasagna. Norma, I'm starting to vlog again. You want to say anything to the people? But this is going up on my channel, not the familiar one.
Hi. Follow me around.
Oh, hella self promote right there. Don't follow her, guys. Oh shit. Rusty! Hurry up, I'm hungry, Mom.
Fuck you, son.
Look how big the fucking bike is compared to her.
We're like the same size.
Nigga, if anything, you're bigger than the bike.
It smells like gas.
It smells bomb though, huh?
Look, you wanna drink it?
Nigga. So, I was going on YouTube and I get a notification that someone commented on my video about that they're heartbroken too. Like, this is what she said. Just let her focus. I didn't mean to make you cry or anything, but if you're heartbroken or missing someone, and you know the right thing to do is to let him go, but you don't want to, because no matter what, you still love him till death. Like, you still love him so much, but you still think it's the right thing to do is to let him go. I mean, I suggest you do that. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna probably take months, days, weeks, possibly months, but you'll get through it. Trust me. This pain is not gonna last forever. I mean, I heard that people die from being sad. I forgot where I heard that from, but someone told me that people die from being sad. That sucks. So, I'm not saying that's an option. No, no, don't even think about it. No, that's dumb. That's stupid. But just keep fighting, hang in there, keep your head up, and you'll get through it. We'll get through it. So yeah, just smile. You deserve to be happy.
Get ready, guys.
This is to all my sexy ladies out there.
Pretty sister. That's kind of loud, guys.
Hola, bebé. Okay, that's it.
When you're done, let me try. When you're done, let me try recording too.
Here's a loud one right here.
Is that done? Is it done?
So dance. Yes. For the young little girls out there, tell them what you got, Angel. Woo!
I just can't do it.
Come on, you can do it.
Let me try.
You gotta man up, bro. I can do it with my toes.
Let me learn first.
I can do it with my toes.
Wow.
Ay, Melanie, tú también con los calcetines. Yeah. You play better with your toes. Bye, guys.
I hope you
Bye, Melanie. Bye.
you with a map of every single pizza joint in town. As you can see, we got it covered.
Dile bye. Say bye, Angel.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys, I'm about to go on now right now, and I'm in the video from there because like, why not? Like, why not end every single video, every single vlog that I make on this channel on now? Because that's where pretty much where it all started. So yeah, I'm gonna hop on right now, talk to you guys. You guys are gonna help me in this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys right now. Hope to see you there. I gotta get me something to eat before I go live, you know what I'm saying? Huh? You know what I'm saying? I guess you motherfuckers don't listen if you don't know what I'm saying. Lasagna, some pretty messed up lasagna, but it's fucking bomb. It's bomb. So yeah, I'm about to go live right now. See you guys in a bit. Sub you now. Like I promised, I'm in the vlog here, and hopefully you guys get to see yourselves on this video. A shout out to my whole family, Julio. A shout out to my whole family. But yeah, we're in the video here. Hopefully I get to vlog tomorrow. Allie with the dogs. Alright, everybody say goodnight. Good night. Say good night to yourselves. Everybody say good night to yourselves. Why is this so blurry? Good night, fam. Shout out to the best broadcast ever. Yes. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. If not, I'm not trying to go like this because I know for sure there, or you guys are gonna think I'm weird because I'm talking to a fucking camera. I'm not used to it yet, and I know for sure you guys aren't either. Am I even like recording myself? Oh yeah, I can see. I can't even see if I'm actually recording myself. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog today, and if you did, you know, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. You see, they're laughing at me. What the fuck? They're laughing at me. God, I love you guys. Doesn't focus.